It's me again. Hey! Time to learn about some new words. Have fun. Okay, friends, we're going to learn some new words that actually are little words and bigger words. They're kind of like Latin roots. So the first one is micro. And the word, whenever you see micro in front of something, like a microscope, it means small. So think about a microscope. What do? You look at really small things. We have the word try. Try means three. So you have a tricycle. Look at the three wheels, right? A triangle, three sides. We have a triathlon. That's when you do three different sports. And then we also have the word sub, which means under. So a submarine goes under the water, right? And you can see each part of the word. Micro means small. Scope means look at. Look at small things, right? Three wheels. Cycle is a wheel. Sub and mar means sea, so under the sea. So see how those words are made. So you're just going to copy the words exactly as they're written, taking your time to bump the lines. Stay inside the lines. Don't go too big. Don't go too small. Okay? Write each part. And then at the end, you're going to do your very best on the word submarine. And if you made it look very, very nice, you can check the box that said, looks good. Submarine. Pretty good. And I wrote in marker this time so it could show up. But please always write in pencil in your handwriting book in case you need to erase if you go outside the lines or something doesn't look right.